Bananas, a delicious and nutritious fruit enjoyed worldwide. But have you ever wondered how these bananas are transformed into crispy, tasty banana chips? Today, we're taking you on a journey through a banana chip factory to see how it's done. The process starts with the arrival of fresh, ripe bananas at the factory. These bananas are carefully selected for quality to ensure the best end product. Once the bananas arrive, they go through a rigorous inspection process. Any bananas that don't meet the quality standards are removed. Next, the bananas are sent to the peeling machine. This machine swiftly removes the peels, preparing the bananas for slicing. The peeling process is quick and efficient, ensuring minimal waste and maximum yield. Once peeled, the bananas are transported to the slicing machine. Here, they are sliced into uniform thin pieces. The thickness of the slices is crucial for achieving that perfect crunch. These banana slices are now ready for frying. The slices are then fried in hot oil. This step is carefully monitored to ensure they achieve the perfect golden color and crisp texture. After frying, the banana chips are placed on drying racks to cool and allow any excess oil to drain off. Now comes the fun part, seasoning. The chips are coated with a variety of flavors, from classic salted to spicy and sweet options. After seasoning, the banana chips are ready for packaging. They are carefully weighed and sealed in bags to keep them fresh and crispy. The final step is packaging the chips for shipment. These bags are then boxed up and sent out to stores and customers around the world. And there you have it. From fresh bananas to crispy chips, every step is taken with care to ensure you get the best quality snack. So next time you enjoy a bag of banana chips, you'll know the journey they took to get to you.